Okay, y'all, I'm tired of looking homeless. Let me get my hair together. So OMG Queen sent me one of their 9x6 glueless units, and I think I want to install that next. Okay. I know y'all really don't be digging the curly units on this channel too much, but y'all really need to get into it because the curly wigs are the most easiest. Throw on and go. You don't have to worry about styling it. The less work I need to do, the better. So this is a 9x6 curly unit. It is cut, but it looks like I'm going to need to cut the lace even more. I actually hate when the lace is like that. I'd rather them just give me all the lace. Either cut the lace or give me all the lace. Luckily, I ain't got no nails, so it's going to be easy for me to cut. So let me just show y'all the cap construction. As you can see, the knots are bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked, and it looks like the knots are pretty small as well. The back of the unit is kind of different from what I typically see. It has this silicone strips attached to the actual unit, and it has this adjustable drawstring that allows you to easily customize the size of the wig cap. There's also these removable Velcro combs on the side. So if you're a person who like the combs, you can leave it in. If not, you can easily take them off. Sounds promising. Let's go ahead and throw it on and see how truly glueless this is. So before I put it on, I'm going to add some of my powder to the inside of the cap just to get it to blend a little bit more, focusing mainly on the front part of the wig. As you guys can see, it is pre-plucked. So far, so good. Looking really good. Let's go ahead and cut this lace. Okay, so far so good. Let me go ahead and lay it down using a little bit of the spray on the ends. Let me press these roots for a little more of a crisp look. Add a little mousse to help with the blending. Go ahead and tie it down. This curl pattern is cute. I like it. I don't think I want to wet it, because you know sometimes when you wet it, the curl pattern changed a little bit. Let me add some product to the root. Okay, so I am going to add some light layers to this unit. I actually prefer to always have some type of layers when dealing with curly units, unless it's an extremely long wig. Okay, I added my foundation powder back to my forehead. I'm going to just take a little bit of my darker concealer to help get that all to blend in. Okay, so this is how the unit looked without actually wetting the hair. As you guys can see, it is still glueless up on top. I wanted to give you guys a full body just so you guys, for length purposes, could see how long it lays. Now I am going to show you what this unit looks like once you wet it and add a little product, just to see if the curl pattern changes any and kind of get your opinion on which one you would prefer. Because at the end of the day, you're going to eventually have to wash the wig, and we need to see what that's going to look like. And to get the curls to pop, you're going to need to take a brush, and I like to comb it through the hair. Like, it really takes a lot of combing. I don't think we really ever emphasize just how much combing it takes. So that's why I wanted to give you guys an idea that you really got to comb it through, and then the curls will naturally begin to pop. I do like to use my fingers and add some finger coils along the front part of the unit. And I use the diffuser to help assist with helping the hair dry faster. And then all I had to do is repeat that same thing on both sides. I did touch up the roots with the curling iron and just using my hand to kind of like bring out the curls. And guys, this is what it looks like with the curls activated with the conditioner water. And to be honest, the curl pattern didn't really change as much as it typically changed, which is a good thing. Guys, let me know if you see any difference, and if you do, which one do you prefer? But overall, I really like this unit. The curl pattern is really cute. The lace is very nice. You guys can see it's giving very natural scalp. This is really just a low maintenance unit, and it is nicely priced. So guys, before we leave, I'm going to need y'all to leave a name suggestion for this unit in the comment section down below. Also, the name for the unit I reviewed in the last video will be put across the screen, as well as the person who suggested. Guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, everything will be linked in the description box down below. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll catch you on the next video.